Welcome to another day of classes, students. Today, in our math class, we are going to learn about measures. But first, I want to tell you that I hope that you and your relatives are fine at home, and I hope Jesus is covering explain all what you need. So, we can start with our math class. Please open your books in page 42. Open your math books in page 42, please. And today is Monday, August 3rd, 2020. Copy the date in your notebook, nor in the book, notebook, please. After you finish to copy the date in your notebook, we are going to write the title. Yes. What is the title? The title is Measuring and Drawing Lines to 1/2 inch. That's the title. So please copy the title in your notebook. After you finish to copy the date, please copy the title. Measuring and Drawing Lines to 1/2 inch. So, what the instruction says? The velvet worm is 1/2 inches long. 1/2 inches is halfway between 1 inch and 2 inches. So, what you're going to do is the next thing. Please look for your ruler. And draw it in your notebook. You're going to draw in your notebook the same that I have here. The same that I have here, you're going to do it in your notebook. Also, you're going to draw the arrow and you're going to write 1/2 inch. That is for indicate you when the 1/2 inch. It is. So, 1/2 inch is, well, the half of an inch. For example, 0 and 1. From 0 to 1, we have a complete inch. But in the middle, in the halfway of 0 and 1, we have one line, this line that we have here. So that's 1/2 inch. The half of the complete inch that is between 0 and 1. The same is between 1 and 2. This line that is here is the 1/2 inch of 1. The half, the middle. So, please, drop the ruler, drop the arrow also, and write this that I have here. And as a homework, you're going to have exercise number 5. After you finish to draw with the ruler, you're going to start working in exercise number 5. Use your ruler to measure this line. Don't forget, page 42. Look, page 42. So you're going to work in exercise 5 of page 42. What you're going to do is that you're going to use your ruler and you're going to measure the lines that are here, and you're going to write the measurement that you're going to get from the lines. That was everything for today's math class. I hope you are fine. Please continue, keep safe at home, and see you until next class. Bye.